Open the base station top cover. Remove the used water tank. Open its cover and pour out the used water. Rinse the used water tank with clean water and use a proper tool to clean the inner wall of the used water tank. Check the seal integrity of the used water tank. Then install the used water tank back to the base station. Install the used water tank back to the base station and fit the upper cover. After mopping pad cleaning completes, please remove the robot first. Remove the washboard filter. Rinse the washboard filter with clean water. Then reinstall it in the washboard. Gently wipe charging contacts, signal area, and exhaust vents with a soft, dry cloth. Use the app or press the dock button to return the robot to the base station, or manually put the robot back. Open the base station top cover. Remove and discard the used dust bag. Wipe dust, debris from the filter using a soft, dry cloth. Insert new dust bag and close the dust compartment cover. Open robot lid, press release button to remove dust tank. Detach filter and empty debris downward. Rinse dust tank and filter with water. Air dry completely. Reinstall only when fully dry. Press the clip of the used water box to remove it. Pour out the used water and rinse the box with clean water. Dry it before reinstalling it into the robot. Turn the robot upside down. Unscrew the side brush with a screwdriver. Remove the side brush. Clean the hair from the brush. Screw the brush back on. Press the brush guard clips inwards to remove the brush guard. And then lift the brushes out of the robot. Pull out the brushes. Use a proper tool to remove any hair tangled in the brushes. After cleaning, push the brushes firmly into the main brush holder until they click into place. Clean the main brush slot. With the screen-printed arrows facing upwards, insert the main brush holder into the slots downwards in an inclined way. Align the front end of the main brush cover with the slot. Then push downward at an angle until it clicks into place. There is a clip at this position. Use your finger to hook the clip. Apply pressure to release the clip and push it outward. Remove the mop assembly. Grasp the mop bracket and the edge of the mop pad. Pull it outward. The uninstallation is complete. Remove the hair tangled in the bracket. Place the mop pad onto the mop bracket. Ensure the mop pad is securely fastened to the mop bracket. Hold both sides with your hands. Firmly press the clip until you hear a click sound. Position the assembly flatly above the compartment. Align it with the slot in the compartment. And push the mop assembly back into the compartment until it fits into the slot and clicks into place. The mop assembly should show no crooked or loose. The installation is complete. Remove the caster wheel using a tool. Rinse under running water. Air dry and reinstall. Wipe robot components with soft, dry cloth. Front window. Edge following sensors. Cliff sensors. Ultrasonic sensors. Ventilation grills. Follow these steps to maintain your Aqua 10 Pro Track performance.